Hi friends, here at Walmart in the Time and Truth section, they have this beautiful two-piece set in blue and in white, and it is absolutely gorgeous. The top is $13.98. The skirt is so adorable and it's $21.98. Yeah, they also have it in white. This beautiful summer dress by Time and True, another beautiful find for $17.98. Yes, it is in a size 02 up to a size 2X, which is a 22. Yeah, this is really nice, guys. They also have it in blue. More finds over here are these Lee jeans. So cute. So the one in the black, it is the mid-rise, and they're $22.98. The one at the bottom is the functional blue mid-rise for $21.98. Okay, and then this beautiful color here. It looks like a fuchsia and a red mix, but it is a medium rise as well, and it is $21.98. And the white ones are $21.98. Oh yeah, and these are by Lee. And you know you can't go wrong with these capri pants by Levi. And the ones to the left is mid-rise capri for $24.98, as well as the white one. And they do have a cuff at the bottom. Great finds here, guys. Guys, and these dresses are by No Boundaries. So cute. They're $17.98. It does have an underlining, so yes, this is adorable. They also have this blue and white and this rust brown color. Beautiful jeans here by Time and True, guys. These are the high-rise straight regular for $21.98. I like how the bottom is made. It has the little split in the front. These cute joggers are $21.98, guys. Cute t-shirts by, this one is Mickey, and that one is Stitch, and they are $10.98. Yes. That one and that one. Okay. Another beautiful dress. This is a linen dress by Time and True. It has the drawstring in the middle, and it is $17.98. Really cute. It is also in that tan. Yeah, this black one is cute too. Another one by Time and True for $16.98. This blue jean dress is a light blue jean by Time and True for $17.98. So this one is by Time and True with the Rolling Stone on it for $9.98, as well as this one. And the one next to it, those are really cute, by Time and True for $12.98. They also have it in that blue and this color. And they also have these up here. Okay. The long sleeve shirts down here are by Time and True. And you can never go wrong with these type shirts here, guys. You can dress these up, down, whatever you like. So they're $18.98. Oh, yes. So these jackets here are by Time and True. And they are, I think they're, what, $22? Let's see. Yeah, they're $22.98. Yeah, I think you can wear these. I think you can wear them year-round because I do. Yeah. Double-breasted blazers are by Sophia, and they are absolutely gorgeous. They're $36, and they have it in this purple and cream. Oh, yes, guys. Really nice. Okay, has the split at the bottom. And the pockets don't seem to be functional. Let's see. No, the pockets are not functional, but hey, it is gorgeous. Only $36 here at Walmart. Another cute set over here, guys, by Sofia Vergara. And OMG, this is a two-piece set. The top is $22 and the bottom is $24. And it is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness, guys, this is so girly and so pretty. Alrighty guys, this wall is by Time and True, and let me tell you, this wall is so amazing. They have the tops and the bottoms. You can just pick up and go, guys, and I think that they paired everything very well together. So we're just going to go over 3 different washes of jeans, which is the white one, the light wash, and the dark wash, and those beautiful tops above. So the white ones, the white ones are $19.98. As well as these, they're $19.98. The light wash and the dark wash are the same price. With that design on the leg, really, really pretty, guys. Okay, and the dark wash, guys, they're $21.98. Beautiful shirt is by Time and True for $13.98. Isn't it cute? They also have it in black. Okay, now these shirts that's above the other jeans that we went over, aren't these adorable? Only $14.98, guys. And yes, by Time and True. Hi friends, these are some of my favorite sneakers. I love them and I think you would love them as well. The link will be in the description, and thank you for shopping my link. Reebok slides, they are $18. These slides are $16. Ooh, alrighty. Fun looking shoes here. Alrighty guys, they have a few of these tennis shoes over here that I want to show you. These are by Athletic, and they have odor control in them. So yeah, they're $14.98. They have them in this beautiful blue with a hint of this green. Nice. This pink. And this purple. Or lilac. How beautiful. Yes. And it is in white as well. Oh, this black is nice. Oh yeah, that's nice. At these sandals by Time and True. And these are $12.98. I like the two-tone on those. $12.98 on this black one. These little slides. All of these shoes have memory foam as well, guys. $12.98. Yes. I like this colorful one here. $12.98. Oh yes, look at these. How nice. They have this one in black as well, and this color, cream and brown. Aren't these cute? Oh yes. Ooh, look at these. These are $14.98 here, guys. These are called the Time and True embellished slides. Okay, for $14.98. So they have this one and they have this one. Ooh, how pretty is this one? I like it. They always have these, guys. These are $19.98. But yeah, these are nice as well, in brown and black. These shoes are by Time and True as well, and I absolutely love these. These are $22.98. The women's slippers, they're $14.99. Oh, these are really cute. Ooh, really soft. $4.99, $5.99, $9.99, and $14.99. Thank you all for your support, and I'll see you all in the next one.